Hey, it's Phil Graham here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're on this channel, there's a very good chance that you're a personal trainer, an online coach, a gym owner, or you work in the personal development space and you want to grow your business. This channel is going to be loaded with valuable and actionable videos that you can use to grow your money, impact, and freedom. We're going to talk marketing, how you can attract dream clients. We're also going to talk sales, how you can sell people into your programs at the money that you want so you build the wealth that you deserve. We're then going to look at how you can grow your fitness business, the systems, the operational aspects, so that your life's work becomes an absolute breeze to deliver and your clients love it. You position yourself as the expert within your local niche or marketplace. On top of that, we're going to look at your mission. We're going to look at the mindset behind your mission, the financial clarity behind your mission, and most importantly, the plans that you put together to grow your fitness business. There's going to be guest interviews. There's going to be podcasts. There's going to be one-on-one with me. There's going to be collaborations. There's going to be a ton of stuff, and I can't wait for you to enjoy every single minute of it. So if you are a fitness professional, make sure you click subscribe, make sure you share the videos, make sure you click like, thumbs up, because that allows me to know that I'm delivering value to you. So I'll see you on the inside. Take care and let's grow.